Happiness, we all chase it. But how do we measure it in nations? What are the top 10 happiest countries in the world? Today, we unveil the secrets of the 10 happiest nations for 2025, exploring what makes them shine. Bro. From robust economies to strong communities, quality healthcare, stunning scenery, and more. Ease. These nations are not just thriving, they're flourishing. Before we dive into this fascinating exploration of joy and prosperity, let me ask you a question. How do you gauge the happiness of an entire nation? Is it about the absence of war or poverty? Or does it involve something more profound, like a sense of purpose and well-being? Let us know your thoughts. In the meantime, let us embark on a journey that will take us from the Nordic countries to Latin America and beyond, revealing the hidden gems that contribute to national happiness. Now let's dive into the heart of the matter. Number 10. Colombia has been transforming itself over the past few years. It's shedding its past image of danger and emerging as a shining example of peace, growth, and opportunity. The World Happiness Report ranked it at the top of the list of the happiest nations in Latin America and the Caribbean, and it now holds the 9th position globally. Its economy is booming, its people are optimistic, and its natural beauty is unmatched. In a nation where coffee is king and salsa rhythms fill the streets, life seems to have a delightful beat. What's driving this transformation? Well, for starters, the end of the long-standing conflict with leftist guerrillas has brought stability and hope. Additionally, a young and dynamic population is fueling innovation and progress. Colombia is also making strides in education, healthcare, and infrastructure, ensuring that its citizens have access to essential services. And let's not forget, this is a country where the sun shines almost every day. Number 9. Costa Rica. Nestled between Nicaragua and Panama, Costa Rica is a small Central American country that punches way above its weight. When it comes to happiness, it's consistently ranked as one of the happiest nations globally, coming in at number 13 in 2022 and climbing to number 9 in 2025. So what's the secret behind this tiny nation's colossal joy? One key factor is its commitment to renewable energy. Costa Rica generates 100% of its electricity from sustainable sources like hydropower, wind and solar, ensuring a greener future and cleaner air for its citizens. Moreover, Costa Rica boasts a strong social safety net, universal health care, and high levels of political stability. With lush rainforests, beautiful beaches, and a relaxed Pura Vida lifestyle, it's no wonder people here are quick to smile. Number 8. Israel. Israel, the land of ancient history and modern innovation, has consistently ranked among the top 10 happiest nations in the world. Its vibrant culture, strong economy, and a deep sense of community contribute to this ranking. When you consider that Israel ranks first in the Middle East and North Africa region for happiness, it becomes even more remarkable. What's fueling this happiness? Several factors come into play. Firstly, Israel's technological advancements and dynamic economy provide ample opportunities for its citizens. Secondly, the emphasis on family and community plays a significant role, fostering a strong support system that contributes to overall well-being. Moreover, Israel's strategic location at the crossroads of 3 continents allows for diverse cultural experiences, enriching people's lives. Lastly, the presence of historical and religious sites adds a sense of spirituality and connection to the land, contributing to a profound sense of identity and purpose. Number 7. Sweden. Sweden, often hailed as the land of Vikings and innovation, has consistently ranked among the top 3 happiest countries in the world. Its breathtaking landscapes, high standard of living, and commitment to social welfare are key contributors to this reputation. What makes Sweden stand out is its emphasis on work-life balance. Swedes value spending time with family and friends, engaging in outdoor activities, and embracing a sustainable lifestyle. This focus on balance extends to their approach to work, where there's a strong emphasis on efficiency, which might be why Sweden has the world's most productive workforce. Whether it's the stunning northern lights display in the winter or the midnight sun in the summer, Sweden offers a unique blend of natural wonders and societal policies that prioritize happiness. Number 6. Switzerland. Renowned for its stunning mountain ranges, pristine lakes, and rich cultural heritage, Switzerland has long been associated with beauty and tranquility. This picturesque setting contributes significantly to the happiness of its residents. But it's not just the scenery that makes Switzerland shine. The country's commitment to neutrality, peace, and diplomacy has fostered a stable and secure environment, allowing its citizens to live with minimal conflicts and uncertainties. Furthermore, Switzerland's high standard of living is another pillar of its happiness. With excellent healthcare, top-notch education, and a robust economy, Swiss citizens enjoy a quality of life that's hard to beat. The country's direct democracy ensures that citizens have a say in decision-making processes, further enhancing their sense of well-being. Number 5. Denmark. Denmark, often referred to as the land of Vikings and fairy tales, has long been celebrated for its quality of life and overall happiness. With its stunning landscapes, strong economy, and unwavering commitment to social welfare, Denmark truly stands out. The Danish approach to happiness is deeply rooted in their concept of hygge, a term that embodies coziness, contentment, and a sense of community. This cultural value permeates every aspect of Danish life, from their homes to their workplaces. In fact, Denmark consistently ranks first in the world's happiness report, making it a shining example for other nations to emulate. What's more, Denmark's progressive policies and commitment to sustainability ensure a greener and fairer future for generations to come. Number 4. Norway. The land of fjords and magic has consistently ranked among the top 3 happiest countries in the world. 8. What's behind this reputation? Well, several factors come into play. Firstly, Norway's stunning natural beauty, from snow-capped mountains to breathtaking fjords, creates a picturesque backdrop for life, contributing to the overall well-being of its citizens. Moreover, Norway's strong economy and high standard of living ensure that Norwegians enjoy excellent quality healthcare, education, and social services. The country's commitment to sustainability and renewable energy also plays a part in maintaining a clean environment for its people. Additionally, Norway's emphasis on gender equality, inclusivity, and personal freedoms fosters a society that values diversity and respects individual rights. Lastly, the Norwegian tradition of friluftsliv, which promotes a deep connection with nature, encourages its citizens to engage in outdoor activities, further enhancing their happiness and sense of well-being. Number 3. Iceland. Iceland, the land of fire and ice, has consistently ranked among the happiest nations in the world. Its stunning landscapes, strong economy, and emphasis on social welfare play a significant role in this ranking. What sets Iceland apart is its commitment to gender equality, human rights, and environmental protection. In fact, Iceland has been ranked the world's most gender-equal country for over a decade. Moreover, Iceland's dedication to renewable energy, particularly geothermal and hydroelectric power, ensures a sustainable future while providing its citizens with affordable and clean energy. Iceland's low crime rates, high life expectancy, and robust social safety net further contribute to the well-being and happiness of its residents. Number 2. Finland. Finland, the land of 1,000 lakes, has consistently ranked among the happiest nations in the world. Its high standard of living, excellent healthcare and education systems, and strong social safety nets contribute significantly to this reputation. Finland's emphasis on work-life balance and its commitment to gender equality also play a vital role in fostering a society that prioritizes the well-being of its citizens. Moreover, Finland's commitment to sustainability and renewable energy ensures a greener future for generations to come. In recent years, Finland has made significant strides in reducing inequality, promoting inclusivity, and ensuring that all its citizens have access to the resources they need to thrive. And number 1, Netherlands. The Netherlands, renowned for its windmills, tulips, and canals, has long been celebrated for its quality of life and overall happiness. Consistently ranking among the top 3 happiest countries globally, the Netherlands offers a compelling model for other nations. Several factors contribute to this reputation. Firstly, the Dutch economy is strong, with high levels of employment and innovation. This prosperity translates into a high standard of living for Dutch citizens who enjoy excellent healthcare, education, and social services. Additionally, the Netherlands' commitment to sustainability and renewable energy ensures a greener and more sustainable future. Moreover, the Dutch embrace a culture of tolerance, openness, and diversity, creating a welcoming environment for people from all walks of life. Finally, the Dutch have a strong sense of community and civic engagement, which further enhances their sense of belonging and overall well-being. And there you have it, folks. Our whirlwind tours through the 10 happiest nations for 2025. Each country is unique, yet they share common threads of peace, prosperity, and a deep sense of community. Remember, happiness is a shared journey. Let's draw inspiration from these nations and work towards creating a better, happier world together. Which of these nations resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts below. And don't forget to stay tuned for more enlightening explorations. Till next time, keep shining bright and chasing your dreams.